There are tricks to cooking in stainless steel. I am going to cook a ribeye for lunch today, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean up what you think is the burnt bits on the pan. Butter's in. It's a very simple trick. What we're going to do is when we're done cooking the steak, we are going to deglaze the pan with water and a brush. And you will see just how easy it is to clean. And this works with just about anything. Eggs, steaks, hamburgers. Steak! You ready? In we go. If you're cooking something with a lot of oil, pour out the oil. You can pour in a little dish detergent and water and rub the brush around. The burnt bits come right up. If you let this pan cool without doing this, you're going to have burnt crap on this pan because the pan will continue to cook. I wish it were a thicker steak. I could have cooked it longer. We're almost done already. So don't let the pan cool. Pour out the oil. Now you're going to have to turn on the vent because this pan will steam. I wouldn't say smoke so much, but alright, I'm taking her out because she's so thin. Alright, we're taking her out. I'm going to let her rest. Alright, you see that pan? You may have seen this in my Visions cookware, okay? I'm going to turn the fan on, so right now I might put music. If you had let this sit on the stove after you cooked that steak, it would have been hell to clean. This is going to be very easy to clean.